Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ammon, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a move that is farther than 100 miles from your current location. When making a long distance move, it's normal to worry about transporting your belongings over long distances. There is a common issues like your items not getting to you in good condition, waiting for long periods before your items arrive, and that's another issue. Hiring our services is a sure way to avoid these common issues. Our long distance moving service is quick and efficient. Our professional movers are careful with every item. They separate fragile from heavy items, and they also position every belonging correctly to prevent any form of damage. Our moving trucks accommodate your belongings. They are spacious and transport your items safely. We have licenses for long distance moves. Our drivers are experts at making long distance trips. They also are familiar with and follow every state and federal highway regulation. They are also punctual, and your belongings get to your new location at the right time. In addition to long distance moves, we also provide outstanding local moving services. We are the top choice in Ammon because our services are affordable and our standard of quality is as well. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $50. We have done a thorough survey of our local and major routes in Ammon so that you can move your belongings promptly. We also have an open line of communication systems and keep you updated throughout the entire move. When you hire our moving services, you pay less for the value that you get. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ammon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.